Study after study reveals that the cholesterol or saturated fat one eats has almost no impact on blood cholesterol levels. Sugar consumption actually raises blood cholesterol, and the average person eats 20 teaspoons of sugar a day. Sugar lowers HDL, the good cholesterol, and raises triglycerides. This combination increases the risk of heart disease. Sugar also raises insulin resistance and triggers inflammation. When over-consuming sugar, it increases the rate of mineral loss via urine or sweat by 300% post-consumption for up to 12 hours. There is no amount of supplementation or dietary support to keep up with this mineral loss. And mineral loss leads to premature aging, expediting wrinkles and graying hair. I cover important health topics like this in my online teaching platform called the Vitality Cleanse. I provide valuable resources in the form of food and nutrition videos, handbooks, and step-by-step directions on how to create a personalized lifestyle using food, nutrition, and behavior concepts. To learn more, go to heartfulfoods.com.